I don't know if you guys are familiar with Charlie, but back in the Honda Tech days, he used to do a bunch of powder coating and restoration for all sorts of bits and pieces for all the different Hondas. And I'm glad to say he's still around, still doing it. I came across a set of ED Civic wiper arms that he had done. He's been doing these in small batches, just basically restoring them. We've all seen what they can look like. You know, mine are a really bad example. There's all sorts of little chips and stuff on there that, yeah, you know, you can just fix it up with some paint. But Charlie takes it one step further, and he does a powder coat. Disassembles these things, puts them back together, and he does a great job of these in powder coat. They'll last a long time. You don't have to worry about the paint chipping or anything like that. And for his prices, if you return your cores, you get a part of the purchase price back. I've missed out on picking up a set of these a couple of times before, and this time I decided to go ahead and jump on the boat and get them before they disappear again. And you can see, you know, I mean, they're wipe arms. They don't need to be super duper, you know, packed up or anything like that. But, you know, he does a good job of packing it up, making sure it's going to be okay. I'm going to probably reuse some of his materials to send it back. And I'm going to go ahead and pull off mine, take a couple of pictures, and then send them back to him and get these installed. Wow. Now, unwrapping these, look at this. This is just beautiful. Wow, look at that. It's kind of hard to see right here, but let me hold it up to the light. And you can see, look at that. Powder coat job. You can still see the identification numbers. There's no drips, no smears, so no globs. You can see the part number clearly on there. Look, even the spring is nicely done. Not a rusty spring under there. Look at that base piece. Wow, look at that. Look at that. And that's just, you know, obviously condensation from my fingers. But, I mean, that's just beautiful work, you know? That is really fantastic. He even also includes powder-coated nuts to go with it. So, he's got your nuts covered. The left side, look at that. Hinge is beautifully done. The arm all the way up. And yes, I'm watching Looney Tunes in the background. But, I mean, look at that. Look how nice that is. It's very nicely done. The pivot point is nice. Nothing like just smacked on there or anything. You can see. There you go. I think kind of hard to see here. There you go. Left arm. Oh, yeah, these are really nicely done. Really nicely done. Really nice pieces. Can't wait to get these on. Now, I didn't record pulling it off and swapping it out. You know, it's pretty simple. It's one bolt at the end of the arm. You got to wiggle it a little sometimes depending how long your wiper arm has been on there. But you can already see the difference compared to the older arm. It is such a world of difference. See that? Now it just really makes the rest of my plastics and everything look a lot older and dingier, unfortunately. But, you know, that's part of the process, as you know. Still kind of working on the rest of my engine bay too. So, yeah, you know, I'm really happy with how they came out. It really makes such a big difference. Especially, let's see, let's pull down the hood here a little. And so, yeah, looking at that, seeing that nice arm, and then this dingy one, you can definitely see the difference. And it really makes a difference right here on the front end.